Alright, man, so I get send him this video or whatever you can do, but this thing's probably pretty much fucked, Jimbo. So here's underneath. This is the front end. That's the back end, okay? The back end, there's some crunchy noises coming through. None of my scx24s can you do this, but this one will do it, and then it just binds up. I don't know if you can hear it grinding or not, though. And right, it won't go any further there. And now it's just stuck. So it's just not even one full rotation. Yeah, and it just locks up. That's, man, yeah. The worm gears in here, I'm going to say, are bad. The front ones don't feel too awful bad. As you can see, they're doing okay. And they sound decent. And there it's locked again. So yeah, the minute this goes reverse, there it is, it's locked.